People, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today's video is gonna be a cleaning video and some decorating, just a little bit of decorating. Like I'm just adding a few items to my kitchen. There's not very much to be done here today, but I need to get the dishes done. I need to wipe down surfaces. I need to sweep and mop the floor, and I'll be adding these new items into my kitchen. So if you need some motivation today to get something done, then stick around and watch me while I do this and don't go nowhere. Maybe you might be motivated, so just keep watching. Here I'm just loading the dishwasher so I can get the dishwasher started while I continue the rest of the cleaning process. So not very much, but I'm not going to be putting the big things in the dishwasher. I'm going to hand wash those and put them away right away. So yeah, it's just what I'm doing here, just putting the dishes in the dishwasher, and then I'm going to keep going. I have come to find out that the reason why you have roaches in your kitchen is when you leave any kind of food crumbs in the sink or on the cabinet on the kitchen floor. That's why I have put it upon myself never to leave food in the kitchen before I go to bed. So, and that has helped me tremendously to get rid of roaches and ants in my kitchen. So it's very important to make sure that the sink is clean and free of any kind of food crumbs so that the pests don't have nothing to eat. Now it's time to wipe down the countertop. Here I'm just using Mr. Clean. I put Mr. Clean in this Dollar Tree spray bottle that I got for $1. So I have the big jug of Mr. Clean that I just pour it in this bottle anytime I need it. That's the only thing I'm using to spray down my countertop. Now I spread the same thing in the sink before I use dish soap to wash it. Now the kids left some food crumbs on the dining table. That's what I'm doing here. So I'm just spraying the Mr. Clean on it and then wipe it down. much as I like stainless steel appliances, it drives me insane to see fingerprints on the fridge handle, on the door. It just drives me crazy. So right now I'm just wiping down all those nasty fingerprints off the fridge and the dishwasher. Now it's time to add all these new pieces that I got. I got this knife block from Walmart. I think it's $13 or $15, I don't remember. And there's, I think, there's 12 pieces of knives in this set. I really love it. It's not too big. The one I had there was too big for me. I didn't like it, so I got this smaller one. Next is this paper towel rack that I got from Amazon. I believe it's like $10. I don't remember. I'm going to try and find the links and link it down below in the description box. It's a peel and stick. It's self-adhesive. This is the most exciting part of this decorating for me. These pieces didn't come together. The table runner and the table mats came differently in a different set, and the flower and the wooden box came together in a different set. So the mason jars and the flowers and the box came together, if I'm making sense. So yeah, these are very, very beautiful. I am loving the way they turn out, and I'm just hoping that this will last long on my table because my little one wants to play with these mason jars. I did not know they were glass before I purchased them. I will have found another alternative, but I love it so much, so I've been keeping an eye on them. Sometimes I just remove them from the dining table during the day and put it back whenever we want to sit down and eat or when I want to record, because my daughter will not stop messing with it. But I am loving them. Now, the fruit basket came from Walmart, I think $5 if I'm not mistaken. I just love the way it looks. I just got tired of the white one that I used to have there, so I decided to switch it out for something different. And I just went to the store today, so I have fresh fruits in there. Now, the knife block also came from Walmart. I think it's between $14 and $15. Together with the knife and the block, everything was a set. This paper towel rack came from Amazon. It's a peel and stick thing. You just have to peel the backing off and put it on the wall. I'm not so sure this is gonna last on this wall because I don't know. We'll see how that goes. Because my kids will not be very careful with it and they might pull it off the wall. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, now this is my favorite part of this video. This decoration, I am loving it so much. The table runner and the table mats came in a different set. The flower, the mason jars, and the wooden block came together as another set. So these things are very beautiful and they look like they cost a lot. This does not cost a lot at all. I think the flower set are like $23 or something. So yeah, but my daughter's been messing with these flowers. I hope she doesn't break these mason jars. I've been removing them in the morning and putting them back when we're ready to eat. And for some reason, the kids want to eat at the table since I put this up here. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you have not subscribed yet to this channel, what are you waiting for? Why don't you do it right now? If you like what you see, subscribe and make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss any of my future uploads. So you will be you'll be among the very first set of people to know whenever I drop a new video on this channel. So yeah, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave comments in the comment section. If you have any questions about any of these items, leave me the questions in the comment section below and I will be sure to answer your questions. Once again, I want to appreciate you guys for coming back to watch my videos, and thank you so much for watching this video as well. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe. Thank you and bye bye.